Utilitrak linear guides make reliable motion easy, even in harsh and extreme environments. In 1950, Bishop Wisecarver set out to solve the toughest motion challenges as a family-owned, American manufacturing company. To this day, OEMs and automation providers trust in our products and complete mechatronics solutions. Utilitrak uses durable wheel plate assemblies within easily joinable channels to provide smooth motion over any length, as well as high speeds and outstanding reliability, whether you need a compact manual carriage or a wide-spanning parallel guide for automated equipment. Utilitrak excels where other technologies fail. Extreme temperatures, corrosive washdowns, no problem. Dust or abrasive debris, the built-in dual V wheels use angle geometry to wipe it away. Utilitrak can reach 18 feet per second, accuracies to 1,000th of an inch, and a single pair of wheel plates can hold up to 3 tons. Tailor your design with a versatile range of sizes, materials, protection options, lubricants, and mounting configurations. Utilitrak makes it easy to install parallel guides. One side dictates precision, the other provides misalignment tolerance. This eliminates binding without costly machining and measurement. You can then butt join the channels to unlimited lengths, and the wheels ignore the gaps. And our kits make it simple to add on a bridge or precision lock. Maintenance is also easy. Some motion systems need a full reinstallation as they wear, but with Utilitrak, simply adjust the fit in minutes with basic hand tools. Replace parts individually only as needed. Our high-quality materials and construction create reliable motion. Even when others copy our shape, they can't copy our standards. Our technology has predictably longer and safer lifespans than the competition. But even before and after you buy, you have the support of the motion experts and renowned customer service team at Bishop Wisecarver. Capable, versatile, reliable. Utilitrak linear guides.